Welcome back to Fun Reading Phoebe. Today we will be reading The Poor Pirates, Bangers in Cash. Captain Flint was dancing a gig on the deck of the Stuck Pig. "This is the biggest haul we've had this year," cried in delight. The poor pirates gathered round to admire the treasure they just captured from the French ship. "This is the only haul we've had this year," Arthur Savage pointed out. "What shall we spend the money on?" asked Selma, the first mate. "Fancy clothes," said the captain, "and a brand new desk for my cabin." "I need some new glasses," Big Ben called down from the crowd's nest. "Well, I'm hungry. I want to eat," said Arthur, eyeing an enormous sack of sausages they stolen from the French ship's galley. "First things first," said the captain. "This ship is covered with barnacles. We'll need to go into port and scrape them off." All the pirates groaned. "Ah!" Barnacle scraping was the worst job on the 7 seas. "Don't worry," the captain grinned. "Now we have all of this treasure, we can eat sausages while paying someone else to do the work." "Hooray!" cried the poor pirates. The pirates pulled up the anchor and began to sail towards land. Suddenly the ship shuddered to a stop, throwing the pirates forward. They landed on a heap next to the mast. "What was that?" the captain yelled. Selma picked it over the side. The ship had hit a sandbag. The Stuck Pig was stuck fast. "It's all right," said Selma. "If we make the ship lighter, we'll float again." "How can we do that?" Arthur asked. "I have a brilliant idea," said Captain Flint, a clever gleam in his eye. It turned out that the captain's idea wasn't so brilliant. "Oh, I feel sick," Big Ben said. "Me too. I'm never eating sausages ever again," groaned Peggy Pete. "I love sausages, but Captain, eating all of these sausages won't really make the ship lighter, will it?" said Arthur, trying not to burp. "We haven't got rid of them. We just moved them from the sack into our tummies." "True." So true. "Why didn't you say this before?" the captain roared. "I was hungry," whimpered Arthur. "It's the treasure chest weighting us down, not the sausages," squawked London's parrot. "I know what to do," said Peggy Pete. "Let's take the treasure out of the chest and divide it up between us. That might work," agreed the captain. The pirates spent the next hour arguing about who got the treasure. Somehow, the captain ended up with the most of it, but at last the chest was empty. But the Stuck Pig was still stuck fast. It must be the same problem as before, Captain, said Arthur. We're not taking the treasures off the ship. We're just moving it from the chest into our pockets, just like the sausages. Okay, said the captain. I know. Let's launch the jolly boat, and the chest can float, and that while we'll tow it behind. So the pirates put all the treasure back into the chest. Then they launched the jolly boat and began lowering the treasure into it. But the chest was too heavy with a gurgle and a glug. The jolly boat and all the treasure slowly sank into the bottom of the ocean. So sad. Oops, whispered Selma. That wasn't supposed to happen, was it? No, it wasn't, shouted the captain, his face bulging with anger. You useless pirates have just lost me my treasure. For that, you can clean the barnacles off the ship yourself. I don't care how long it takes you. Captain Flint stormed into his cabin, slamming the door behind him. Poor pirates miserably steered the boat into port and began scraping off the barnacles. I hate barnacles, Selma said, as a very large one hit her nose. And I still feel sick from eating all of those sausages. Me too, Big Ben replied. I do hope it's not sausages for tea tonight. Hold on, where's Arthur? Asked Henry Pete, looking around. Sure enough, Arthur was nowhere to be seen. When the pirates had finished barnacles scraping, they collapsed into the deck. At that moment, Arthur arrived back on board the ship. Where have you been? Growled the captain as Arthur dragged a large sack behind him. Well, admitted Arthur, I found a gold coin that had fallen into my pocket. I went into town to get her something to cheer us all up. I wonder what that is. What did you get? Is it fancy clothes? The captain asked eagerly. New glasses? Big Ben suggested. No, Arthur replied. Something even better. And he opened the secretary's veil. I think it's sausages. Maybe. More sausages! I know! The poor pirates cried. They all rushed to the side of the stuck pig and were very sick indeed. Knew it was sausages. The end. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, hit the bell notification, subscribe so you can see the rest of my videos. Bye!